Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to install these Suparee fog lights on your Subaru Forester. As you can see, they are installed now, but I will show you what the installation process looks like. And at the end of the video, I will show you how well they perform when it's dark, obviously. I couldn't do it when it's light, so I'll show you that shortly here. Hey folks, so these are our only tools for this whole job, which is a 10mm socket and, electric doohickey and a small screwdriver to punch out those little tabs. Okay, the first step is to take out this piece and then to take out this piece. On my vehicle, this piece was already missing, so I'm not sure what happened, but this is what that piece looks like. And all you do is you pry them like with a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, and you can just release them. And then what they do is they pop out like that. Oops. And then you can smush them in, and then they will go back in, and then you push it down and it locks. So I'll show you the reinstallation at the end. So basically that allows you to take this piece and you just have to kind of wiggle it around, and then there you're in there. So this is the installed look, and I'll show you what you have to do to uninstall it and reinstall it. So basically you're going to take out this bolt, which is a 10mm, and unplug the wiring harness. Okay, and then as you can see here, we got the wiring harness off and that bolt undone. What you're going to do is you're going to have to pry it just a little bit. And then, let's see here. How much can you see? Okay, that's good. Basically, and it comes out. And as you can see, there's two slots right here and right here. And basically it slides in, and then the bolt keeps it secure. So it's not super difficult. It's pretty easy. So, and all you have to do is it comes like this. If you don't have fog lights, there's just like a little insert here that you can basically just punch out, okay? And if you didn't have fog lights, or you had fog lights, both of them already come with the wiring harness and the brackets to install the fog lamp. So now additionally, you would have to install a relay in the glove compartment. As you can see, like I said, you already have this, whether you had fog lights or not. So that was convenient, and we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this. Again, we're gonna put on these two tabs, and then the other part is going to be bolted to there, and then we're just gonna re-plug the wiring harness back in. And so here is where I installed the fog light button. Basically, it's a pretty easy install. I didn't do as probably good as I could cutting that out. I probably should have had a better tool, but it's not that big a deal. So in any case, this just, you can pop out this piece right here, I think, or this piece under there. I can't remember. It's been a while, but it clips in there. So it fits, perfectly for this specific reason. So I think it worked out pretty cool. And it looks like it came that way from the factory, except for my little indiscretion right there on the corner. Okay folks, this is the close-up. That is driving lights, daytime driving lights. That is headlights, and that is the fog lights. Look how the camera adjusts there with its brightness. I'm not sure if you're seeing that on the video, but it's interesting how that camera does that. Okay folks, this is driving lights, daytime driving lights, headlights, and the fog lights.
right, so this is driving, probably not, it's probably illegal, driving around the street with a cell phone in your hand, but it's late and I think everybody's taking their dogs in. So here is the, we'll do it after the light. There's a street light here, right there. Here we go. So that is with those, with just the headlights. That shows up the sides pretty good. Of course, the brights cut off the Okay, so we're in the dark again. As you can see, that does actually do quite a bit of lateral light. As you can see there, it does increase that to the side. So I wonder if that is, like, I don't know that this is much brighter than the other ones, but they definitely increase your peripheral vision for sure. So I think that's notable.
Okay folks, so I hope that that was a clear enough instructions for you, and I hope you thought the performance, at least, you know, giving you a lot of peripheral extra vision on that with these fog lights makes sense. And anyways, if you did like this video, hit the like button, I'd appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos on my vehicles or projects, you can hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.